Welcome back, everyone. Today we're gonna make Arby's curly fries again. I'm gonna use these small potatoes. Last time we used these larger potatoes, and it came out kind of like thicker. And what kind of potato is this? Look at that. Maybe save that one for later. Anyways, we're gonna use my potato machine, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually just wash these potatoes, and I'm gonna leave the, actually no, I'm gonna take the skin off actually. So I'm gonna wash the potatoes, I'm gonna take the skin off, then we'll start making these Arby's curly fries. So I'll see you soon, and what is that? Come on. How did this even grow, you know? Anyways, alright, let's start these Arby's curly fries. Let's get started. So that sound you heard earlier, that was the actual dryer. I had to dry some laundry, so sorry about that. Anyways, you're gonna put the small potato on this potato curler right here, and you're just gonna wind it right on through, and it's gonna make these curly fries. Look at that. And it glides nice and easy. So grab the curly fry, and you're gonna put it, you see this bowl up here? This is cold water. We're gonna put it in here for about 45 minutes to get rid of the excess starch, if you know what I mean. So anyways, pull the potato off. We'll do another one. And make sure you push the lever right here so you can pull the handle back. I had to figure that one out. Put the next potato on and start turning. Look at that, nice and easy. It turns just like butter, everyone. It doesn't take a lot of muscle, if you know what I mean. Place it in the cold water. And we're gonna take this big guy right here, and I'm gonna place, see how this goes? Put it right into the potato machine. Maybe it looks a little big for this device, but let's see what type of curly fry this one makes right here. Put it on. Start turning. Look at that. Just joking. That was a bad idea, everyone. Don't do that. Stick with the small potatoes. Anyways, we're gonna make the batter. You're gonna use a 1/4 cup of flour. And this is a 2-person serving, everyone. 4 tablespoons of salt. But this 2-person serving is all for me, because I like to eat. 4 tablespoons of garlic powder. 4 tablespoons of onion powder. 4 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Get it all in there. There we go. And 4 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Next, I'm going to find a fork. And I'm just going to slowly pour the water into this. So kind of eye the batter. You don't want it too thick, too thin. But you know what I mean? You want it just thick enough so it sticks to the curly fries. So to get a little bit more in, and once you mix it, this is your consistency. And make sure you dry the potatoes in a paper towel, because if it's wet, the batter's not going to stick to the fries. And I'm just going to gently place all these curly fries in. Now I'm just hungry, so I'm just going to toss them in one by one. And it's probably best if you use a bigger bowl, just FYI. Now once in the bowl, I'm going to just gently mix the batter onto the french fries, just like so. Looking good. Now we're ready to fry. And this temperature is on medium high. See how there's bubbles? When you see bubbles, it's hot enough. Too easy, right? Anyways, gently lay the curly fries away from you. See how I'm laying it away? You gotta lay away so the oil doesn't splash in your face. And I'm kind of cheap. I should have put more oil and just immersed it. And if this was full with oil, it would have cooked in, 4 to 5 minutes. But since I'm cheap and I filled it halfway, I'm just gonna rotate it every minute or so, and it takes about 7 to 8 minutes. So just a little longer if you want to use less oil. You see how this is golden brown? It's perfect. You're gonna put it into a rack, and the reason you use a rack is so it doesn't get soggy, if you know what I mean? Because the key to French fries and curly fries is nice and crispy. Get all these right on here. Looking good. Look Look at that. Okay, okay, one more. There we go. There you go, everyone. You ever just make French fries and surprise yourself? I think we just surprised everyone and myself. But you see how this is nice and golden brown? It's looking pretty crispy, everyone, and I'm getting hungry just looking at this. But let's dunk some curly fries into this ketchup right here, and let's see if it tastes like Arby's curly fries, I guess. Dunk it in the ketchup, slinky like. It's pretty good. On ketchup though. Pretty crispy. So I think the little potatoes actually made it more slinky like, if you know what I mean, like thinner. When you use the large potatoes, it's too thick and takes longer to fry and it kind of burns. But when you have it, the smaller potatoes, it cooks fast. I didn't put enough oil, so I just kept rotating it, and it takes, if it's immersed in oil, it takes about 6-7 minutes, but mine took about 12 minutes. I just kept turning it until it was brown and crispy, and surprised myself, it's pretty good. So try this at home, and if you made it wrong, well, you probably didn't follow the recipe right. I'm just joking. Anyways, have a great night. Take care. Goodbye.